The surprising science of prayer. Can it really change your body? Ever wondered if prayer could actually change your body? We're diving into the science behind prayer, exploring what researchers have discovered about its impact on our physical and mental well-being. Get ready to question everything you thought you knew. Can prayer really change the human body? It's a question that has intrigued scientists and spiritual seekers alike for centuries. We're going to explore the scientific evidence and see what the research reveals. Researchers are actively investigating the impact of prayer on our physical and mental health. They're using modern tools to understand what happens in our bodies and brains when we pray. The results might surprise you. Have you ever felt a sense of calm wash over you after a moment of prayer? Many people describe feeling more peaceful and grounded, but is this a spiritual experience, or is there a scientific explanation? The question remains, is the power of prayer rooted in the spiritual realm, or is it a psychological phenomenon? We'll explore both possibilities as we delve into the research. Let's find out. One of the most well-known experiments on prayer was a 2006 study focusing on heart surgery patients. This study aimed to determine if external prayer could influence recovery rates. It's a fascinating starting point for our investigation. Patients were divided into 3 groups for the study. One group received prayers from others, another did not, and a third group was unaware of whether they were being prayed for or not. This careful design aimed to isolate the effects of prayer. The results of the 2006 heart surgery study were quite surprising. There was no significant difference in recovery rates between the groups. This suggests that external prayer may not have the direct impact some might expect. These initial findings suggest that prayer may not have a measurable external impact on physical recovery. However, this is just one study, and the science of prayer is complex. Let's keep digging. The focus shifted to studies examining individuals praying for themselves. This approach explores the internal physiological changes that occur during personal prayer. It's a different angle on the same question. Studies have shown that heart rate tends to slow down during self-directed prayer. This suggests a calming effect on the cardiovascular system. It's a measurable change that points to a potential benefit. Blood pressure also tends to decrease when people pray for themselves. This further supports the idea that prayer can have a relaxing effect on the body. These are tangible physiological changes. Researchers have also observed a reduction in cortisol levels, a key stress hormone. This indicates that prayer may help to alleviate stress and promote a sense of well-being. It's a significant finding. Many individuals report feelings of peace and groundedness during and after prayer. This subjective experience aligns with the objective physiological changes observed in studies. It's a holistic picture. Modern techniques like fMRI are now used to study brain activity during prayer. These tools allow us to see which areas of the brain are activated. It's a window into the neurological effects of prayer. Brain imaging reveals that prayer and meditation activate specific regions of the brain. These areas are associated with focus, self-reflection, and emotional regulation. It's a fascinating glimpse into the brain's response. The prefrontal cortex, linked to focus, self-reflection, and emotional control, shows increased activity during prayer. This suggests that prayer may enhance these cognitive functions. It's a powerful connection. Interestingly, similar brain changes have been observed in non-religious individuals practicing mindfulness or meditation. This suggests that the benefits may not be exclusive to religious belief. It's a broader phenomenon. This suggests that there may be a built-in mechanism within the mind that promotes healing and well-being. Prayer may tap into this natural ability. It's an intriguing possibility. One scientific explanation for the effects of prayer is self-regulation. The mind has a natural ability to regulate itself, and prayer may enhance this process. It's a powerful internal mechanism. The placebo effect also plays a role. Belief in a positive outcome can trigger the body's own healing response. This is a well-documented phenomenon in medicine. When we expect something helpful to happen, our bodies respond as if it is actually happening. This expectation can lead to real physiological changes. It's the power of belief in action. Prayer can be seen as a particularly potent form of the placebo effect. The combination of belief, hope, and connection can amplify its impact. It's a powerful combination. Beyond the physical results, prayer offers intangible benefits. It provides a moment of connection with something greater than oneself, or even with oneself. This connection can be deeply meaningful. Prayer offers a pause in the day, a break for reflection and contemplation. This allows us to step back from the stresses of daily life and gain perspective. It's a valuable opportunity for self-reflection. Prayer provides a space for fostering hope and optimism. It allows us to focus on positive possibilities and cultivate a sense of resilience. It's a powerful tool for emotional well-being. So, does prayer work? Maybe not always in the ways we expect, but the science confirms that prayer can alter the brain and have a calming effect on the body. It's a complex and fascinating phenomenon. Science confirms that prayer can indeed change the brain. Brain imaging studies show activation in areas associated with focus, self-reflection, and emotional regulation. It's a tangible effect. Prayer has a calming effect on the body, slowing heart rate, lowering blood pressure, and reducing stress hormones. These physiological changes contribute to a sense of well-being. It's a measurable benefit. Ultimately, the power of prayer starts within us. It's about tapping into our own internal resources for healing, hope, and connection. It's a journey of self-discovery. Prayer may not move the universe, but it can move you. It can shift your perspective, calm your mind, and connect you with something greater than yourself. It's a powerful tool for personal growth. Ready to explore the power of prayer in your own life? Take a few minutes each day to connect with yourself, reflect on your hopes, and cultivate a sense of gratitude. Share this video with someone who might find it helpful, and let's continue the conversation about the science and spirituality of prayer. Subscribe for more content on mental health and well-being.